Buenos dias, amigos. Bienvenidos a Florida. Let's see what we have going here today. This was pretty popular last year when I did it, so I wanted to give you guys an overview of week one of my garden. I grew in soil last year, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. You get soil-borne diseases, you get bugs, you get some other issues, and we have a hydroponic system here. I actually bought two of these. This was the most cost-effective ebb and flow system I could find, about $500 or so. Let me know if you want a link to it. Anyway, we have a big reservoir of water here. Actually, it's water solution that's at the proper pH, which I had to chase for a while. There's a pump in here, and that's the brain. It's got a timer on it, and it's got floats and levels in it. And it will fill up at certain intervals and drain at certain intervals. In fact, it's in a drain cycle right now. I overfilled these so I could move the tank, the reservoir, and put it on blocks. They all have to be level. So I have bricks out here and kind of took a little bit of work because I'm on a pretty decent decline on the gardening pads. But I figured it out, and unfortunately, almost everything for hydroponics is geared toward cannabis, and you kind of have to read between the lines because I'm growing tomatoes, and you got to get the right food and all the right circumstances for those. So I just transplanted a bunch of these Lowe's tomatoes into here today. I love tomatoes. This year I'm going to make salsa to can, sauces, and we just eat a lot of tomatoes. And they're one of the best items to grow yourself because the supermarket tomatoes often suck. So I'm going to show you what each of these are, and I'll follow up weekly with the progress. There's a lot more plans for this pad that you'll see next week. And here we go. Grape tomatoes. Everybody likes grape tomatoes. And these are the kind of oblong sweet ones. I like those. Sweet Million. That's the smallest plant I have. And again, these were just transplanted. Juliet, like sauce, tomatoes, Romas, that type of thing. Big boy. Everybody like a big boy. Big slicers. I get a few of those. Heirlooms. Big beef. Big beef. Everybody like a big beef tomato. I can't read that far. Parks, Whopper, improved. You know that tomato. No, you don't. I don't know it either. Hello, Mr. Stripey. Little striped tomatoes. Actually, they're medium-sized striped tomatoes. Juliet's, more like Roma sauce tomatoes. German Queen. I don't know what that means. Big tomatoes, though. Big slicers. BLT sandwiches. Big beef. Big beef. And Husky Cherry Red. This one already has little tomatoes on it. That's a patio plant. See kind of the consistency of that one. Anyway, yeah. Just took a little bit of work, especially in the hot Florida sun. And that pad over there, we're doing an identical system. We're going to grow whatever my son is growing. He wants to do peppers to make hot sauce, and I want him to do a bunch of pickles or cucumbers for pickling because I love pickles. Anyway, guys, this is week one. This is where we're getting started. If you're interested in something like this, have any questions, give me a buzz. Bye.